And ready for assessment?
Ready.
Okay, we are going to go to Ende. Maybe we'll need fuel balancing. We have one engine flame out. Engine number 1 damage suspected. So probably we'll do the single engine approach, visual approach for Ende. Using the visual guidance chart. Our system is affected. Fuel pump number 1, DC generator number 1, SLR generator number 1, packs, bleeds, and pressurization system affected. Hydraulic not affected. For landing, I will not put flight idle. I will not put ground idle before nozzle on the ground.
Okay.
And for you monitor idle gate on approach.
Okay.
We will now hold in 2000 feet. Have a lot of fuel, maybe crossfit procedure required in a few minutes for balancing the fuel. The weather in Kupang, let's say, not good for our arrival, so that's why we divert to Ende. And any suggestions, questions about systems or operation? By the way, we can call to ATC that we managed to handle our problem, so we'll do the visual approach for runway 27, okay? And after we do all the procedure, continue, okay? Agree with me about going back to...
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay, I will call our girl, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Captain.
Yeah, we have engine flame out at takeoff, as you mentioned, so we're going back to Ende. In a few minutes we'll start our final approach to Ende. Everything is normal, so the weather in Ende is also okay. Every station is under control. Just tell our passengers to be calm, and it's normal, safe situation for us. No specific action will be required for you, so it will be like a normal approach for us. In case something will go wrong, I will call you, okay?
Okay, thank you, Captain.
Thank you very much. Okay, your VHF, your radio.
Okay,
you call ATC that about our intentions to go to. And okay, thank you.
Ende Indonesia 7030, now we're ready for approach.
Roger, clear for approach, runway 27, wind 150, 15 knot, and QNH 1008, report on final runway 27.
We are clear for approach, runway 27, report final Indonesia 7030. The wind is 150, 15 knot.
Can you put it in performance 150, 15 knots? Thank you. Okay. Descent approach checklist, please. Low feed pressure. Disregard this message.
Descent checklist, flight warning system.
Recall we have single engine. All the systems according to single engine operation already completed. Check.
Okay, landing elevation.
Landing elevation 100.
FMS nav perf.
FMS nav performance set for visual guidance runway 27.
DHMDA.
Oh, stand by. And briefing will be later, okay?
Okay.
Stand by for briefing. Okay, MDA for visual 600. Okay, your control? Okay.
Control.
Your control. I will set the cockpit for arrival. Coupling your side. Okay, course pointer 270. The altitude is not published here, yeah, for points,
Yeah.
so we need to figure out on our own.
Just put the altitude on the threshold. and then you will following the
3 degrees
vertical
profile.
guide. Yes.
Threshold is 100, yeah?
8 feet. 8 feet plus 50. You inserted 58.
58 feet.
Yeah, 58.
058 or 58. I'll try 58. 58 feet. No, it's not setting anything. 1 mile. 1 mile is.
Yes, the threshold. This was the threshold.
Yeah,
T27 is the threshold.
Yeah.
Yeah, just put like that. Then you will have the guidance.
Ah, you mean vertical
Yes,
profile?
vertical. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Coupling my side. Heading so, coupling my side on our green. Okay, ready for brief?
Ready?
Single engine operation, landing visual runway Ende, runway 27, now holding. I think one more loop and we'll go. We're using visual chart. MSA for our sector 6100. For missed approach, just go straight ahead, climbing 2000 feet, okay? For single engine missed approach, a little bit difference, and then with 2 engines, so I'll push the gear on the button, set power levers to the ramp, select flaps 1 notch, position gear up, and heading IAS. Climbing straight ahead. Acceleration altitude for missed approach will be 1100 feet. Press Alt Hold. Stand by for the speed. Speed will be VFTO. To VFTO power levers to the notch. Power management again to MCT and press IAS as we did like memory items for not okay. And runway length is acceptable, 1800 meters, landing weight 22.3, and I think we need to do the crossfit.
Okay.
Pumps on, crossfit off. Yeah, affirmative, right off.
Okay, right off.
Thank you. So crossfit procedure now in force. And landing weight to 2 tons. According to performance we approach for normal condition 1 to 4 knots. Such a strange. Kick 1008. Interesting, 1 to 4, okay, 1 to 4 with single engine. Any questions, any additional suggestions about arrival briefing?
No questions.
Okay. We cleared, yeah?
Yeah, we are clear.
Okay.
Okay, right. Brief complete.
Brief complete. Approach checklist.
Approach checklist. Seat belts.
Seatbelts on.
Landing lights.
On.
Altimeters.
Set 1008.
Cabin altitude.
Check.
Okay, check. Complete.
Okay. Heading south green.
Check.
Notify cabin crew to prepare for landing. Okay.
Flight attendant prepare for landing. Okay, notify.
They go to this point and then do the standard guidance, okay? Magenta 141 already. Check. Maybe I'll go, straight and back, okay? For better interception. Autopilot off will be on base turn.
Okay. Do you want approach speed?
Yes, activate approach speed.
Okay, activate it.
170 magenta.
Check.
Center 30 confirm we're ready for approach.
Affirmative.
Indonesia 7030 affirm, we are ready for approach.
Roger. Clear approach. Report again final.
Clear port, super final, Indonesia 7030.
Can put direct to 3 AN27 if you want.
Okay. Go to the left. Direct 3 Echo November to 7, please.
Okay, set.
Okay. LNAV green.
Check.
I'll validate this, please. We already did the set checklist. And we'll stand by for vertical indicator to start the set, okay? After we start the set, we select flaps 15, okay? I'll put initially 2,500 feet. Just start our descent. Okay. I think we need to start flaps 15.
Speed good, flap 15.
Good. 141 magenta speed.
Check.
And stand by for get down, okay?
Okay.
Yes, cabin ready, Cap.
Thank you. I think we're still below the profile. Okay, 7 miles, 7 multiplied by 3, yeah, below. But with this vertical speed, it's okay. Okay, 2,000 feet set for missed approach, already altimeter alive. Okay, now vertical guidance alive. Gear down.
Speed good, gear down.
Okay. Okay, slightly increasing vertical speed.
You see the rock in front of you, Cap? The small
Yeah,
rock
yeah, yeah,
in front
small.
of the threshold, the runway?
Yeah.
Yes, it's maximum is minimum is 200 feet over there.
Okay, I understand. Okay, descend a little bit faster. Flaps 30.
Speed good, flaps 30.
Before landing, please.
Landing gear,
Down 3 greens.
flaps.
30 will be set now. Okay.
Power
1
management,
to 4 magenta. Take
Check.
off.
TLU,
Low speed.
single light,
Off.
external light,
On.
complete.
Before reach that point, you should autopilot off. Otherwise,
Okay, autopilot off. FD standby. disregard. And damper off.
Damper off. Indonesia 7030, turn final.
Okay, wind 5015 knot to 1008, you clear to land runway 27.
Clear to land runway
Approaching
27,
minimum.
Indonesia 7030. Clear to land.
Okay, clear.
Minimum.
Contact landing.
Okay, start turning, otherwise you will be late.
Okay.
500.
Slightly high.
Yeah, correcting. Okay, stone cross 300, a little bit higher. But now on profile.
200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay, bubbles. Nose wheel on ground.
Check. 1 low pitch.
Good. Hold control wheel. Engine 1 out. Good.
Okay, very good. Okay, stop on the runway.
Okay, stop.
Return all the malfunction. I will reposition you to Denpasar again,